Good evening once more. So this is a video about Quora, which is a question and answer site, one of the most biggest websites in the world. You've got Google, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, I think, Quora and Pinterest, or I think it might be Pinterest and then Quora. The ones that's behind are like huge, gigantic businesses. Of course, it's the biggest companies in the world. So we use Quora to ask questions and also answer questions. I know that Warrior Forum is the biggest forum in the world. That's the disadvantages that they don't like you using AI, which I use just because you can answer so many questions in a short period of time. So they don't permit that because I've tried it and found that the questions, well, there's not ones every day, but there is quite a lot over the week. If I go on about with Quora, it's like just type in anything. How do you make lasagna? Just so you don't have to just answer questions to do with business. And it's just giving value. You're not talking about your business in the answer, but you can leave the link of your business. I wouldn't recommend doing it every 4 answers. Quora like that if you do that. So here's basically profile page. Nice picture, name, how many followers, how many I'm following, talking about the business. If you click on here, it is the business. We can opt into our business. Let's go back into, and here you can ask a question or answer or post similar to Facebook. And then the left hand side we've got different Facebook groups that you can join and ask questions and also answer from there as well. And this is also home page, and this is questions that Quora send to you. Do you want to answer them, basically? And this is notifications of questions as well. I'll go back into the home page. This is questions that I've answered in the past. Had 35,000 views, 3.3 thousand this month. So you can really get good traffic just by answering questions. So you put in what is drop shipping, which is a type of business. And then a lot of people following, so you could answer and then just put that in. So head over to AI and then just enter, and then it gives you the answer. £2 for 14-day trial, and then £20 after that. So you can also say if you want to write more, and it will, but which is good for a blog. But it's just an answer given, and then you would just do that if you want, but I wouldn't do every question. You can put a link, so you just enter the URL, which for this business I'm in, we use System E, and it just duplicates the funnel, so you can create links for, there's one for the question, so you just copy that. I'm not going to post this answer, but I think that do is to show you. So tick add, and then post, and it's got the page which we clicked on, and then somebody's viewed it. That would just be Quora looking at it, and then others will will view it as well. So really recommend seeing my other video with AI. I can't mind it was an AI video I've done. It's just if you to type this out, it would, to a good answer it'd take a wee while. And that's really how I use Quora to answer questions and get traffic to our businesses. If you don't have a business, we have a great partner option, and it's got so much in it, which I've done another video, but I think I'll do another one on it. If you opt into a page like that, you'll find out what's in store for you. But this video really is about Quora and how you can use it. So I hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye for now.